Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Mr. Ali. My name is Indah Liliana, student ID 2312010, one from the Management Study Program. Today, I would like to present my research proposal analysis of occupational health and safety implementation through the use of personal protective equipment (PPE) to minimize occupational risk. PT Delta Indonesia Penenggar. Without further ado, let's begin presentation. Okay, background. Occupational safety and health K3 is a crucial aspect of the workplace. Every company faces various risks that can lead to accident and health problems for workers. One form of implementation K3 is the use of personal protective equipment (PPE). PPE serves as the final line of protection for workers from various potential hazards in the workplace. Proper use of PPE can help reduce the severity of injuries and minimize the risk of workplace accidents. However, in reality, some workers still do not use PPE optimally due to factors such as awareness, comfort, or inadequate supervision. Therefore, I am interested in researching how K3 is implemented through the use of PPE at PT Delta Indonesia Pranegar and its effectiveness in minimizing occupational risks. Formulation of the problem. This research has four research questions. One, how is OHC implementation through the use of PPE at PT Delta Indonesia Pranegar? Two, what is the level of worker cooperation is using PPE? Three, what factor influence worker of use of PPE? And four, what is the effectiveness of PPE use in minimizing occupational risks? Research purpose. This study aims to understand and analyze the implementation of occupational safety and health through the use of PPE PT Delta Indonesia Penenggar, understand the level of worker compliance with PPE use in the workplace, understand the factor influencing worker PPE use, understand the effectiveness of PPE use in minimizing occupational risks. Theoretical basis for occupational safety and health K3. PT Delta Indonesia Penenggar implements an OHC program through provision of personal protective equipment (PPE), OHC training and outreach supervision of PPE use. Theory of the foundation of the goals and benefit of K3. The primary goal of K3 is to protect workers from occupational accident and illness and to create a safe work environment. The benefit to the company include reducing the number of workplace accidents, reducing costs associated with accident, increasing work productivity, and enhancing the company image in the eyes of the public and customer. Theoretical basis occupational risk. Occupational risk, the possibility of loss, injury, illness, or damage resulting from potential hazard in the workplace. Source of occupational risk: human factor, work environment factor, work equipment and machinery, and hazardous materials. Theoretical basis of personal protective equipment (PPE). Function of PPE: reduce the severity of injuries, protect workers from exposure to occupational hazard, prevent workplace accident and occupational disease. Type of PPE use: safety helmet, gloves, masks, protective glasses, safety shoes. Framework, based on the framework, effective OIC implementation through the provision of PPE training, awareness program, and supervision is expected to increasing workers' compensation with PPE use. Higher occupancy is expected to reduce workplace accidents and minimize occupational risks at PT Delta Indonesia Pertengkar. Research benefit, theoretical benefit, adding reference regarding the implementation of OHASI through the use of PPE, serving as reference material for further research. Practical benefit, providing recommendation for PT Delta Indonesia Penenggar to improve OHASI information, improving compliance with PPE use, helping minimize the risk of workplace accidents, supporting the creation of a safe and productive work environment. Research methodology. Types of researchnya, qualitative research, data source-nya observation, interview, and documentation. Research location-nya in PT Delta Indonesia Pertengkar. Ya, thank you. Uh, In conclusion, I hope this research will be useful and contribute to improving workplace safety. Uh, Thank you for your attention, Mr. Ali. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.